the planning stage of your ERP implementation? What kind of questions should you be asking? How should you be vetting out these partners that you're considering working with?
I think that's a good question, Olivia. So, me and myself have been doing this for about 12 years now. I think knowing that there's different levels of partnerships, right? So there's the NetSuite solution provider, which is the top tier partner, which can assist you with licensing, implementation. Sometimes they do have a dedicated support staff for post go live. But also too, like I said, there's different layers such as alliance partners, and the list goes on and on. So depending on the type of engagement or the implementation at hand, I would absolutely like a good understanding as to what level of NetSuite partnership that partner has, but also to the expertise, right? So if you're dealing with distribution companies, retail, reverse logistics, solar, you want to make sure that the expertise for the team is there, because overall the success of your implementation and your overall project is going to most likely be tied to the boots on the ground. So I would make sure, one, the references are there. If you could talk to another successful implementation or a customer of theirs, that's always a plus. But you want to make sure that you have the right team in place. Also, too, something to think about, and not a lot of people think about this, and maybe they should just ask the question, is bandwidth. Depending on the project and the time of year and just the overall accessibility of the team, what type of bandwidth does that team have? So I think it's really important to make sure that the team that's going to be in charge of making your project a success has that availability. And then I would say the last little part of it, and this is kind of a lengthy answer, but making sure that it's a good culture fit, depending on if you want people to come on site, if you would like any type of remote work to be done. I would just make sure that from a timing and culture perspective, it'd be a good fit.